Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to share this short and brief video with you tonight, showing you how territorial wild sulphur-crested cockatoos can become when food's involved. I was feeding my friendly little parrot Cookie, and then this other male cockatoo barged in and wouldn't let Cookie get any seed out of the cup. This is what they do, and they fight for food in the wild. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys all again very soon. Bye!